Look at that. Our national flag is lying on the floor and no one is bothered about it.
Why are you so worried? It's just a piece of paper.
How can you say that? It is not just a piece of paper. It is the dignity of our nation. As Indians, we must abide by the laws of the Constitution and respect its ideals, institution, the national flag and the national anthem.
Okay friend, we'll respect the national flag in future.
Future bright, do your duties, know your rights. Future bright, do your duties, know your rights.
Oh, what a beautiful monument. Let me write my name on it.
Hey, why are you writing on this ancient wall?
I am writing my name because I want my name to be famous and people who are coming visiting here can read my name. Look, I have written it also.
Are you out of your mind? Don't you think that those people will think this person destroyed the beauty of this place? It is our duty to safeguard and improve public properties, like monuments, forests, rivers, wildlife and natural environment.
Okay, my friend, I will not do this.
Future bright, do your duties, know your rights. Future bright, do your duties, know your rights.
खिलौने ले लो खिलौने, प्यारे प्यारे खिलौने, किसे चाहिए खिलौने, रंग बिरंगे खिलौने, सस्ते सस्ते खिलौने, आओ आओ देखो, हाथी है, घोड़ा है, बंदर है, तोता भी है, आओ आओ जल्दी बच्चों आओ, गोलू मोलू चिंटू आओ आओ.
Why are you selling toys? When I am going to school, you are here. When I am coming back from school, you are here. Are you not going to school?
No, I am not going to school.
Dear friend, education is our right.
But my parents don't have money to pay the fees.
Don't worry, our government is providing free education up to 14 years old children. It is the duty of the parent or guardian to provide opportunities for free education to his child. Future bright, do your duties, know your rights. Future bright, do your duties, know your rights.
This work!
It is not my work. Why should I do it?
You do it!
I will not do it. Wait. Why are you both fighting like this? Everyone's watching you. But it is his work.
No, it is her work.
Listen to me. Both of you do this work together. Then you might be awarded as a good team. If you do something together, the work becomes much more easier, no matter how much difficult it is. India is famous for its unity in diversity, and we must respect and promote its sovereignty, unity and integrity of the nation.
Yes, we will do this work together.
Future bright, do your duties, know your rights. Future bright, do your duties, know your rights.
Oh my God, who threw this garbage here? What are you doing, my friend? This property belongs to us. We belong to earth. We get air, food, water from earth. We don't have any right to spoil our environment like this. It is our duty to protect environment for our future generation. Yes, we should take care of our earth and environment.
Future bright, do your duties, know your rights. Future bright, do your duties, know your rights.
Today it is really sad that we know our rights very well and sometimes fight for it, but we are not aware about our fundamental duties. Fundamental duties and fundamental rights are the two faces of the same coin. If we do our duties and know our rights, it is service to our nation. Fundamental duties of our nation remains our duty towards society, fellow citizens and nation. Fundamental duties warns against anti-national and anti-social activities. Fundamental duties inspires and promotes self-discipline and commitment.
duties, know your rights. Future bright, future bright. Do your duties, know your rights.